everyone, it's Julana. Welcome back to our channel. This week is really exciting because I am going to be prepping for our baby shower. There is so many things that I have to do. We're gonna make centerpieces and signs and games and a balloon arc, and we are going to be DIYing all of it. Of course, the first place I had to go was Hobby Lobby, and I went there yesterday, so here is a little recap of that. All right, here we are at Hobby Lobby. I'm at the point in my life where it is just so great to go to Hobby Lobby by myself, walk around for an unlimited amount of time, and I'm very excited to do that today. So much Christmas stuff already. Not time for that yet. Here we have a ton of fall stuff. I really don't need any of this either, but still gonna look around. So I did come prepared. I have a whole list of things that I need for the baby shower. A lot of it is gonna be DIY projects that I'm excited about doing. Some of the things on that list include centerpieces for the tables, like plates, cups, serving type stuff, and just overall decorations. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can find today. Like this is perfect because we need cups and people can mark their cups up so they don't lose them. Few of these for centerpieces. Oh, definitely need some streamers. And this color. This is so cute. I definitely am not gonna have the time or energy to do that, so I'm not gonna get those. But so cute. I love shopping at Hobby Lobby because everything is always on sale. A little tip, if you're shopping for something that's not on sale, if you come back the next week, that item will be on sale because they switch. Okay, so here's something I think will be cute. I got this little board and I can do like a welcome baby sign. Yep, I like that. Our baby shower is gonna be under the ocean theme to match the nursery, but I find this a little bit annoying because I'm from Florida and I collect seashells every time I go home, and of course I've never brought any of them back to LA. Now here I am having to buy fake sand and fake seashells when I could have just gotten them for free at the beach. What are you gonna do? I have quite a lot of things in my cart already, so I am probably about ready to check out. But there are a couple more things I need to get. I still need to find some centerpieces, so I'm gonna go look for those. But which kind? I think I like these ones. It's about time for me to get out of here. I've gotten everything I came for, plus a lot more. Hopefully it's not like $800, but I guess we'll see. All right, tonight is the night. I'm super excited because I have a couple girlfriends of mine coming over to help make arts and crafts for our baby shower tomorrow. So this is all the stuff that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. And we are going to be making a lot of signage. We're going to be doing centerpieces for the tables outside, decorating some of the hallways and the bathrooms, and you know, just lots of cute baby shower arts and crafts stuff. These are two of my best friends, Tiana, Bridget, DIY masters. So they've come over. We're going to make some centerpieces here. Whee! And Carson's mom. So cute already. The balloon lady here. How many balloons do you think we need to blow up?
We were just having that discussion. No idea. We're just gonna.
Guess what? Your mom made our sign with the arrow pointing the wrong way.
Yeah.
Oh no, did you just realize that?
Yeah.
It's looking good in here.
And I was grabbing chicken.
Hi, Willie. You helping?
And
That was great. I just got your face.
wow, I did not consider fitting through the door.
I know. Mine keep popping out.
What a mission.
So,
Cute.
alright.
Where's the door?
So maybe like, yeah. We'll just do like 4 feet just in case.
See you guys.
See you later.
Have a
See
good
you guys
night.
tomorrow.
Bye.
See you tomorrow.
Thank you so much for coming. I'm excited. Can't wait to celebrate.
Yay!
Couldn't have done this without you.
It's happening.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow morning.
It is the morning of our baby shower, and mostly everything that needed to be done got done last night, but there are a couple finishing touches that I wanted to wake up early and do. So I'm going to be working on that. Carson's going to be setting up the backyard. My friends are going to come over soon to help us set everything up outside. I am so excited for this day. I can't even tell you. So I'm just really excited to get everything out and for people to come, and hopefully it'll be an incredible day. All right, last order of business is to decorate this room here. I'm gonna put little ribbons to make it look like seaweed underwater. Okay, so the hallway's all done. We added some clear balloons to make little bubble effects. Cute. Thank you so much for hanging out and crafting with us. If you guys want to see how our baby shower turned out, make sure to watch the next video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.